Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting to Wi-Fi on a Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the Home button on your remote, then scroll to the left until you get to Settings and tap OK to open them. Navigate up and right to where it says Disconnected Network. Then tap the up arrow and tap OK on Network Settings. Select Wireless. Choose the Wi-Fi that you would like to connect to. Fill in the Wi-Fi password and tap Done. Your TV is connected to Wi-Fi. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung TV tips and tricks.